How to create an eBay seller account. First, log in on your eBay account, or you can continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple since that is easier. And if you don't have an account, just sign up. Enter your name, last name, email, and your password, then create account. Now that you have an account or log in on your account, this is your homepage. And to start selling, just click Sell on the upper portion of the screen. Now, this is where you can list your item, get seller protection, and choose when you get paid. Just click List an Item to start. Then in this search bar, just type in what you're gonna sell, like the keywords, brand, model, or other details of your item. For example, I typed suits for men and just scrolling through these suggestions and then search. Now here you can find a match for your item or product, and if it's not there, just continue without match. Then select the condition of your item, if it is new with tags, without tags, with defects, or pre-owned. Then click continue to listing. After that, you will be redirected to this page where you can complete your listings. Just answer everything here. For example, put a photo or video of your product. Here, I just put an example picture. Then put the item title, the category, and item specifics. There are required item specifics that you really need to answer, like the brand, type, size type, style, color, department. So just answer that. Then there are also additional or optional item specifics, so you can answer this if you want for more specificity of your product. Of course, you will have to put a description of your item. Next will be the pricing. It can be an auction or buy it now format. You can choose whatever you want. There's an auction duration, the starting bid, reserve price. But for me, I will put it on buy it now option and then just fill in the other details. You can also allow for more offers, volume pricing, and schedule your listing if you want. Just enable or disable the buttons. And now, of course, for the shipping options, there's a shipping method. Just choose one. There's also domestic shipping and domestic services. You can offer free shipping or add your own services. For now, I'm just putting whatever I want here. Then there are also your preferences, your own settings. Just read through everything here and scroll down to find your promoted listings. You can also require immediate payment when the buyer uses buy it now. After you're satisfied with that, you can click list it, preview, or save for later. For now, I click the option save for later. After that, this is the page where you can manage your drafts. As you can see, I have 2 drafts here with all the details listed here. If you want to add more, just simply click create listing on the upper right corner of your screen. You can resume your drafts, delete drafts, or create a copy. Once you're done with all of that, we can navigate through your eBay selling. And here is your selling overview. Here you can see your active, sold, and unsold items, the total. And there is also a listing option. Here you can see the details of your selling promotions. Let's navigate in the left side of your screen, all of the activity that you can do, like the summary, the selling overview, recently viewed. And I refreshed my overview. Now we can see my listings. There are 2 drafts and we can add a list again. Now in these quick links in the lower part, we can select view seller dashboard. Here we can see that we can learn the selling basics. If you want, just click this link. eBay will help you how to sell and just read through that. And let's go back. We can see our personal information here. Then also our seller account. Let's try clicking that. For now, we can see nothing here since there's really nothing going on in this account since I just made it. Now let's navigate through the most important part, the payments. This is where you can add or delete the payment options you have to buy and sell on eBay. Just click continue. And you have here a checkout method. You can add a credit or debit card or add other payment options. For example, let's add a payment method using credit debit card. Click continue. And then we just have to enter the card number, expiry date, and other details. And that's pretty much everything. You have successfully created your eBay seller account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.